Hey guys, the voice of the blockchain here. Satoshi's big cousin, cryptography's finest, Champagne Crypto. Thanks for tuning in. Guys, today I'm talking about the Bitcoin prices, Electroneum mobile mining, Particl, the crypto chat, the crypto maniac. Monday is back, the kaboom, the energy. Champagne Crypto's on the networks. Shout out to all the baby bear cubs, all the crypto maniacs that are tuning in worldwide. Make sure you're kabooming the like button right now so that the globe knows Champagne is back on the networks with the good crypto word, as 25 maniacs are pouring into the blockchain box right now. Cy J, Jordan Voorhees, Gary, someone better, Sharif, Gary, Lucky Lewis, Charles. I see you guys. Kaboom it right now. Back with the energy. Took a little hiatus, but for a very, very good reason. Champagne Crypto is happy to announce that baby Champagne was born last week. Kaboom! The energy won't stop. The crypto maniac flow will continue. The boomers are here. Big shout out to Mrs. Champagne and baby Champagne tuning in. Shout out to Cy J, Lucky Lewis, Jojo Wave, Charles, RZ, Dab Master J. I see you guys. Shout out to Cy J, expecting his daughter in May. The energy is correct there. Shout out to all the baby boomers out there. Checking out Bitcoin, guys, on the Bitfinex chart. We're looking good, 11,499. I'll be honest, I haven't been looking at the charts. I've been excited. Baby Champagne's in the house, bringing that crypto maniac, that kaboom energy right now. Let's check out the markets. Today we'll be talking about Electroneum mobile mining. They just make an announcement. Particl, you guys will probably be interested on that one, in my opinion. And of course, Bitcoins, the bits, more bits, kaboom, the like button. Let's let the world know the energy won't stop. Boom! Shout out to New Zealand, Nawaz, True African, Dab Master J. I see you guys out there. I feel the energy. Guys, as Bitcoin currently trading, let me hit refresh here. Bitcoin currently trading 11,548, up 2.99%. Looking good. We've been trading sideways. We were expecting for Bitcoin to hit around 13K during the February month because of those predictions made by Mr. Cliff High and some of the other YouTubers out there. It seems like we fell short, but I'm not afraid. I'm not scared. I'm not feeling any negative energy right now. It's nothing but a positive kaboom. The price is looking healthy right now, guys. 11,548. We still have our targets for the end of the year for a $1 trillion market capital. Put Bitcoin, in my opinion, somewhere maybe around 30K. The train keeps moving, and this thing will not stop. We had to shake out a couple bad hands there over the holidays, the new year, and what we have left now in the crypto trenches is 34 maniacs that are still gunning. Guys like Jose, guys like Bit Papa, like New Zealand. Guys, I see you. Boom the like button right now. Ethereum at 859. It looks like 800 for Ethereum is the new 300. Let's not forget about Ethereum. It kaboomed at one point and it stayed stagnant at 300 for a while. If you've been rocking with Champagne, then you know. Don't act like Champagne hasn't been holding the Ethereum bag since before 100, since before 50. We're still gunning with the best of them. They're in the crypto trenches. And now Ether seems to be taking a little break, going sideways now at 859. We're hoping for a kaboom past 1K, although we've identified some competitors out there to Vitalik and friends to the ETH out there, guys. And those being Cardano, Neo, and others, guys. Let me know what you think about those. We'll be talking about those as well. Now we got Ripple over $1. It kaboomed up 11.29%. Guys, I'm not the guy for Ripple. Don't ask me about the rips. In my opinion, it's not even a blockchain, guys. But big shout out to those holding the bag and those that got to get some profit, because Champagne is not mad at those that are profiting. Kaboom! Bitcoin Cash, the fork of Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash. They're up 0.165% at 1,272. I don't know where Bitcoin Cash is going to go. It's here, it's there, it's up, down, sideways. I don't know. I'm 50-50 with BCH. I like the revolutionary attitude, but, you got to keep your eyes focused. You don't know if they're funny bunny or if they're throwing propaganda. It's a crypto war zone, and you always got to be prepared for the left flank, for the right flank. Always keep one in the chamber. Maybe Bitcoin Cash goes up, maybe it goes down. It's interesting to see how this thing plays out. Moving on to Litecoin, guys. The lights, I am still holding the bag. Let there be light. Shout out to Charlie Lee and friends and all the rest of the maniacs out there that are holding the Litecoin bag, currently trading at 212. 212 looking healthy, okay? I remember when Charlie Lee dumped the bag when it was over 300, and Champagne questioned if I would have sold. I sold less than 10% at that point. With the majority I kept, and maybe I should have sold it, but I'm in it to win it now, guys. I'm not gonna dump any bag at this moment. We're going to continue to hold the bag of the lights, and I am excited to see what Litecoin brings. Maybe they bring more atomic swaps. Maybe they do some partnerships out there in the future. But Litecoin, in my opinion, is still a sexy one. It's still a sexy one. Shout out to all the boomers out there. I see you, Live Lover, Dice, C-Ha, Jose Ortega, Jigger Romes, and Quincy Rowe. I see you guys. We got 32 maniacs in the box. I need you guys to kaboom the like button. The YouTube algorithms, they hate on Champagne. It's too real. The boomers are too much for YouTube. YouTube has been purging a lot of the truth media, a lot of the true kaboomers. You know how I feel. I think YouTube's already been infiltrated by certain agents spreading the wrong propaganda, but I know the boomers are still with me, focusing on the win, and I'm focusing on the long gunner, because we know crypto is here to stay. Boom the like button right now. Champagne Crypto, your favorite YouTubers booming on the networks, guys. We'll be discussing more. Kaboom! Bit Papa says B Cash is funny bunny money. I'm 50-50 with it, Big Papa. I'm watching it. You know, I'm watching. I dumped most of the BCH bag. I'll be honest with you, but I'm watching it. Charles saying Monero is the real deal, and I agree. I got a little bag there of Monero. I think it's a sexy one. Moving on down the list, we got Cardano in the house at 31 cents, up 4% today. Guys, don't act like I didn't tell you about Cardano ADA coin when it was 10 cents. Okay, we have Mr. Charles Hoskinson on the channel. He chopped it up with us, did a little interview out there, and I think it's a promising one. Cardano being the first scientifically peer-reviewed blockchain. And it's interesting to see, you know, this one's positioning itself as a competitor to Ethereum. We know Hoskinson, the lead developer out there, used to work with Vitalik and friends with the original Ethereum Foundation, and they went their own way. Now they're booming out there with IOHK, making a Cardano ADA, and let's see where this thing goes. I'm not sure if they've implemented the proof of stake, the Ouroboros, which will allow users to stake ADA coin in the dataless wallet and receive rewards. So, you know, I like the smell of proof of stake coins. I told you guys out there, ask yourself, what is the coin doing for you? Are you just holding it because you like the name and you're wishing upon a star? Okay, or is it doing something for you right now? Don't forget about the boom out there, crypto maniacs. Number 7, Neo, guys, 117.98, guys. It's down 4%. Neo being that Chinese Ethereum, and this one is a staker. It's juicy, it's medium rare, and I'm loving it. I'm telling you, NEO is a boomer out there out of China, and they're giving you the rewards, the gas, the GAS rewards right there in the Neon wallet. Okay, which means you pop the Neon in there. Excuse me, you pop the Neo in the Neon, and then you get the gas. Okay, so you know, focus on this one. Then they're going to be doing more airdrops, more dApps launching on NEO. I'm a believer, guys. I'm a believer. Stellar, 38 cents. Stellar being Ripple's little cousin, up 8%. So shout out to all my Stellar maniacs out there. I'm not a fan of Ripple or Stellar, and I say this on my broadcast because it smells like a centralized system. I don't know if it's a glorified database. I'm not sure it's a blockchain, but correct me if I'm wrong. That Master J says the developers of IOHK also taking over Ethereum Classic. Yeah, they have to do with Ethereum Classic as well. I believe when they had that debacle over there, that controversy over there with Ethereum back with the DAO, one of the first ICOs that was launched on Ethereum. There was a hacker that entered the networks, and then everybody got soft because the hacker exposed the flaw, and then they decided to go ahead and reverse the transactions and give everybody back their coins. In my opinion, I didn't like it. I didn't like it because that's not what the blockchain's about. The blockchain should be a permanent fixture in the crypto sphere. And that's why the maniacs at Ethereum Classic and I believe IOHK, they went their own way, and Ethereum Classic's blockchain still has the hacked coins. Furthermore, if I'm not mistaken, I believe that whatever you can do on Ethereum, you can also do on Ethereum Classic for less. So correct me if I'm wrong, but if that being true, it could be Ethereum Classic could be a lot more thrifty way to build. Shout out to Live, Love, or Dice, Stygian Dahan, Dolphin 134, Dab Master J, the gentleman or Mrs. that is saying mining in Egypt works. I can't read Arabic or whatever that language is, but shout out to you. I see you writing there. Dab Master J's kabooming out there. Live, Love, or Die sold all his Ethereum Classic for Bitcoin, and I'm not mad at that. Guys, I've been saying this since day one with the Maniacs. Guys, make sure that you got the bits in the bag. Now, the Bitcoin is going to be less volatile, in my opinion, than some of these other altcoins. But guys, everything trades against Bitcoin. So Bitcoin is a beacon of light in the crypto sphere and the blockchain atmosphere out there, guys. Make sure you're holding the Bitcoin. It's the gold out there, guys. It's the platinum as well. Shout out to Jose Ortega. Bitcoin forever. Yes, indeed. Boom. Guys, Monero trading at 370. Guys, you know I like Monero being a private coin, the most private coin out there. Okay, and I got a little bag of Monero. I think that the privacy coins and the decentralized exchanges are going to be a boom in the coming months and in a few years. So Monero being one of them, and Monero has something in common with Electroneum. I believe that they use the same type of blockchain technology, the rings, something about the ring around the rosy, the ring, something with the rings makes the privacy more legit. Okay, I don't know the technicalities, and I'm not telling you I'm a developer or a professional, okay, but I smell what's cooking out there, and you should too. Guys, EOS at trading at $8.11, up 2.82% today. EOS is Ethereum on steroids, is what I'm calling it, and it's by Mr. Dan Larimer, the gentleman that made Steem and BitShares, and I think this one is going to destroy Ethereum. That's what I think. I may be wrong, I may be right, but I'm betting that this one is going to be a boomer. And I was thinking about maybe even doing a whole video about the constitution that's being built for EOS. They're doing a blockchain constitution, a form of governance, a way to resolve disputes. You could be a citizen of the blockchain out there. These people are thinking things through past just crypto technicalities. They're looking into crypto economics, people economics. This guy over there, Dan Larimer, is a boomer in my opinion. I'm not a fanboy, but I recognize the boom when I see it. Okay, and in my opinion, I think this one is leagues ahead. Leagues ahead. It will be. They haven't even debuted the blockchain, and this thing is already smelling like a boomer. Guys, IOTA, Internet of Things. We're not talking much about IOTA today. Let's go ahead and talk about what the topics are. Electroneum. Electroneum, okay, I told you guys about Electroneum before it launched. I know some of the boomers worldwide were able to pick up some Electroneum coins, ETN. This one is the mobile cryptocurrency. This will allow users to mine cryptocurrencies on their smartphone. And in fact, today, or just yesterday or today, they just launched the app where it'll allow you to do this. Now, I haven't done it, although I have some Electroneum coins there that I'm letting sizzle there in the bag, okay? And let's see what's shaking and baking. I want to see if this thing works. Now, I do know that the mobile mining experience is virtual. It's not real. You're not really mining. You're just doing some sort of a virtual thing, okay? But this will still allow users to somehow earn cryptocurrency. I want to know more. I want to know if maybe you've downloaded it, if you've tested it out. This thing launched last night or this morning, and I found that it's important to let the crypto maniacs know because we jumped in the coin very early, and I'm still holding the bag out there. Shout out to Stygian. Shout out to Suave House. Jose Ortega, Adventures in Bitcoin out there. Kaboom, what up? Guys, shout out to all the maniacs. Guys, I took a little break out there, okay? This week, I am happy to announce, and I told you guys at the beginning of the broadcast that me and Mrs. Champagne, we welcome baby Champagne into the world. The young boomer is here, which means the energy is only going to turn up. Make sure you hit the like button so that the world knows, guys. Boom! So getting back to this Electroneum ETN, let's see what it's hitting for. 7 cents, up 9% after this announcement by Richard Ellis, the head man in charge out there at Electroneum, guys. I'm holding the bag. I don't know if I'm going to pick up more or not, but, I'm liking it. It's trading sideways. Let's see where this thing is going. I know that at one point, sometime maybe a couple of weeks ago, it had a flash, not a flash crash. So the opposite of the crash, which would be a smooth flash ride up to the top. It went up to like 40 cents. But very short, for a very short period of time before it took a little dip back down, which shows that it's a possibility of maybe even going, to those prices in the future and sustaining. Now, again, I don't know. I got to always say that I'm not your father, although maybe I should be. Don't take my word as professional advice. I'm a cryptomaniac just calling it how I see it. But I think that Electroneum may be able to hit 40 cents again if it did so, right? Moving on to Particl. This one is booming today as well, guys. Let's check out the charts here. It has it's the #1 boomer today, up 20%. Now, I don't know why it's booming. I've talked about Particl before. Okay, Particl is a decentralized private economy. It allows users, it has privacy, and it allows users to list items. So it's kind of like a cross, I would say, between like Amazon and eBay, and has their own currency. You could actually put up listings, earn passive income, and you could stake the Particl coin as well. Okay, so check out Particl. Particl's mission is to empower society by fostering a new decentralized private, keyword private, democratic economy supported by its blockchain platform. Guys, we have the right to privacy, okay? And make sure that when you can, claim it, okay? Because you got people mining your data. They want to stick their nose all up in your face. And if we have the right to privacy, then exercise the right. And I enjoy things like Particl being able to provide or promise to provide a platform that'll allow users to have an economy that's a private economy, hard coding for architecture, new economy, open source, secure, community governance. Okay, that's another one. That's another point that you got to look at, in my opinion, is community governance. What's going to happen when there's arguments within the community? How are you going to resolve things? That's going back to the EOS Constitution. That's why I think it's so sexy. I may do an entire video about that Constitution because, it's definitely looking like a boomer. Passive income with proof of stake. The coin needs to do something for you. If it's not doing something for you, you got to make sure you check it, look it over, and ask yourself, why are you holding the bag? And I'll be honest, I don't have a bag of Particl, although I think I have bought and traded it before, and I talked about it before, and I think it smells like a boomer. And I will continue to look at it. And it's the #1 boomer today, currently trading at $34, up 20%. Particl is able to be, you could buy it at Bittrex, Upbit, and Lightbit. I don't know that site. I've never heard of Lightbit. Upbit I have, but it looks like Bittrex is the #1 place for it. Guys, drop a comment below. Have you used the Electroneum mobile miner? Have you used the Particl desktop wallet? Let me know. What do you think? Is it a boom or is it a doom? Shout out to Joey Alex out there. He says, Champ, I looked at my bags of Cardano, NEO. Let's storm the beach out there. Absolutely. I like those two tokens. Cardano is one that I think is going to bring some competition to the Ethereum blockchain. And NEO, guys, this one is up and running. And shout out to the Asians, guys. They know what they're doing as far as tech, okay? They know what they're doing as far as tech. Asian technology, guys. You can't sleep on the east side, guys. You can't sleep on them. Shout out to Crypto Bags. He says, kaboom, champagne made it. Had to get some new threads and a cut. Guys, I told you guys at the turn of the new year, if you didn't get a new pair of shoes, a new shirt, if you didn't get a new haircut, if you didn't shave a little bit, guys, make sure you up the ante, raise the bar for 2018, guys. It's the boomer way. Kaboom. Stygian says, how could I start in crypto as a 14-year-old? Guys, I do these videos for 18 and over, so make sure you get your parents' consent. Talk to the family or someone that's over 18. I'm not responsible for anybody under 18 listening to the broadcast. Shout out to RT out there. What up, champ, and the Crypto Maniacs? Shout out to Joey Alex, who thinks I've been funny bunny lately. And I told you guys I took a hiatus. We welcomed Baby Champagne into the world last week, and it was taking some time to be with the fam out there, guys. Shout out to all my Steamosaurus there at steemit.com/@champagnecrypto. Make sure you're following me there on the Steem blockchain. Guys, I believe that Steem is one of the sexiest blockchains out in crypto. And I expect this thing to boom like no other. I just posted this Bitcoin Electroneum mobile mining particle. The video we're watching now, we got some upvotes already. And I'm feeling the flow on this day, Crypto Maniac Monday, guys. Make sure you're following me. I told you guys last week that I'm going to be doing more live broadcasts over there on DLive. Steemit is a decentralized social media platform that connects to DTube, DLive, Zapple, D-Sound, and a lot of other websites that allows users to monetize their content. Okay. And I'm trying to get more people over from YouTube over there to Steem so that we could build our decentralized community. We know that YouTube is purging a lot of the truth media out there. Okay. They don't want you to win. They want you focus on some funny bunny liberal agenda. They want you to focus on the blockchain justice warriors, guys. Forget about the white knights in the crypto space and let's focus on the long kaboom, the responsible, independent boomers that are here to win for the long gunner. $49 in the box right now. Champagne Crypto, the voice of the blockchain, your favorite YouTuber's favorite YouTuber, still in the trenches, still booming with the best of them. The energy's still correct. We won't stop. I won't stop screaming. I'll be on the networks, letting the world know, spreading the good crypto word, kabooming the like button, the subscribe buttons. Do it now. Boom. Shout out to Main Event. Shout out to NStat. He says, what up from Maine? What up, MN? I think that says that. Maine, Minnesota. Major snowstorm coming today. Shout out to everybody out there up in the north, holding it down in the cold, waiting for those brighter days, for those warmer days out there. They're coming. Checking out TradingView here at Bitcoin/US dollar. So Bitcoin against the US dollar, according to TradingView's technical analysis summary, they're calling it a buy. They're calling it a buy right now. Again, I don't know how this little technical summary goes, and you know, I don't make moves by just a little ticker on a website. But it's interesting that they're calling a buy right now at this price at 11,492. Okay, let me know what you think about Electroneum mobile mining. Have you tried it? Let me know what you think about Particl, the decentralized marketplace there that's cooking up on the networks. And let me know what you think about the bits out there. Let me know what I missed out there on the networks. Only positive energy, only boom. We're focused on the winners. We're focused on the boomers, never the doomers. Make sure you're hitting like right now. Boom. Jose Artega says Bitcoin a 100K by December. That's very, very ambitious out there. I'm not mad at that, Jose. Crypto for life, says Crypto Bags. Shout out to the crypto maniacs out there. You guys know what's cooking. Jose says, love your background music. I feel like I'm on hold with Comcast. Hopefully we're treating you better than Comcast out there, Jose. Shout out to Main Event. Kaboom! So going back to Particl at 34 bucks. I like Particl, guys. This is a decentralized economy and I have a marketplace as well. I believe you'll be able to just make listings, you know, and sell things directly there. They're going to have a website here. It's going to be across. I believe it's what I'm reading. Okay. Again, you know, don't mark my words here, guys. I'm just, you know, calling it how I see it. I believe you're going to be able to do listings and sell things for crypto directly on this Particl decentralized exchange. And it's going to be very private. And you're going to be able to stake the coin 5% yearly stake. Big Papa says ETN Electroneum is a ticker with a Monero remix. Yes, indeed. We talked about that earlier about the circles or the rings, the ring technology or whatever they're using to create a private transactions with Monero. You're right, Big Papa. It looks like they remixed Monero and they're running with it. Now they launched the Electroneum mobile mining app, which will allow users to mine on their smartphone. Okay, now if you read the white paper, you're not actually doing any mining on the phone. It's a virtual experience. So it's like a video game. It's for the little kiddies out there that want to play crypto. But I believe that still it's a good look. It may introduce people more into the crypto sphere. And if it's a way to earn more crypto, then, you know, more power to the boom. Big Papa thinks it'll boom Monero. You know, I've been talking about Monero, Big Papa. I got a bag there. You know, Monero, I like it. It's a long gunner. It's been in the sphere for a while. I don't think it's going to go anywhere. Shout out to Nawaz. He says, champagne came, stress gone, love you. I love the crypto maniacs. You guys keep me up booming daily, guys. We took a little hiatus, being that we welcomed baby champagne into the world last week and the little boomers here. And we're back on the networks. Make sure you're hitting and kabooming the like button so that the globe knows champagne is not going nowhere. The energy's positive, guys. Only positive energy. Only focus on the boomers, never the doomers. Shout out to the Steamosauruses there on the Steam blockchain that are following champagne. Guys, if you're not on a blockchain that is paying you for something for what you're doing, you're wasting your time over there on the tweets, on the gram, on the book, and they're giving you little hearts, guys. Zuckerberg is running away with the bag, and you're left in the dust out there. Make sure that you're getting at least a couple cents of crypto for your time out there. And I believe Steemit is the place to be. Shout out to Jahang Wi-Fi. Shout out to Wolfgram. Shout out to Adrian Sky. Morning to you. Kaboom. Guys, flash giveaway. I'm feeling the energy. I'm going to go ahead and give away some Steam back dollars here. You know, let's see if you randomly commented over here on Steam. Maybe I'll pick you and I'll throw you some Steam back dollars. I used to do this every Monday, and why not? You know, we're feeling good today. So let's start off here with the first comment, Jahang. I've never seen you before here, Jahang. Let's see if we can go ahead and just throw you a couple Steam back dollars just for being a good guy. Okay, this is a just flash giveaway, kaboom, giveaway alert, kaboom alert. Jahanger Wi-Fi just got 3 Steam back dollars. They're about $4 each, so that's about 12 bucks there. Just a flash giveaway. Let's see if we got any other takers out there. I'm just doing a flash giveaway because the energy's right now. Champagne won't stop. Boom! Shout out to Jose. I see you in the chat box. Says, you got any more than Bitcoin? Shout out to Jose. Get yourself some. You get a Bitcoin. You get a Steam back dollar. Kaboom! There you go, Jose. I appreciate you tuning in, bro. Kaboom it. Shout out to Wolfgram. I see you, Wolfgram. I've seen you on the networks before. I appreciate you. Flash giveaway right now. If you're just tuning in, it's the voice of the blockchain here, Satoshi's big cousin, cryptography's finest. Somebody out there asking, why am I yelling, guys? I'm yelling because I'm excited and my energy is stronger than yours. If you can't handle it, unsubscribe and get out the way. The boomers are here to stay. Boom! Al, I see you. That's correct, Al. Shout out to Dab Master J. Baby Champagne, your favorite newborn's favorite newborn. Boom! Shout out to Stygian, a young man out there learning about crypto, only 14. Make sure you're okay. It's okay with your fam to be on the, the networks. This show's for 18 and over, but I know that the young ones that out there, they're thirsty for knowledge. They want to learn, and that's okay. We want to raise boomers out there. Just make sure it's okay. The show's 18 and over. Boom. Shout out to Adrian Sky out there. I see you, Adrian, posting those photographs out there, black and white. This gentleman's a photographer, if I'm not mistaken, and I appreciate the upvotes. And I like your photos out there, Adrian. Keep booming. Big shout out to Dab Master J, one of the Steamosauruses, one of the crypto maniacs, a cannabis farmer out there, if I'm not mistaken, out there. Make sure you check him out there on the Steam blockchain. Kaboom. Shout out to everybody tuning in. 39 in the box right now. Dab Master J, Jose, Big Papa, some day one maniacs out there, strong ones holding it strong on the line. If you're just tuning in, we talked about Electroneum. They debuted a mobile mining app where you could mine cryptocurrencies on your smartphone, okay? You can learn more over there at electroneum.com and read it, look into it. Tell me if it's a boomer. I haven't downloaded it yet. I plan on downloading. I just haven't gotten around to it. I think they debuted this either last night or this morning, so it's breaking news out of the Champagne Crypto news desk out there. Let me know how it's running. Electroneum, a mobile mining experience. We've also talked about Particl. This is a decentralized economy. It's private, and that's why I like it. Decentralized, private, and democratic economy. It's going to have a governance system, a way to list items and sell things on the marketplace, and you'll be able to stake the token POS, proof of stake, very juicy, 5% a year. Let me know if you got some Particl or what's shaking and baking with the parts. Shout out to Dad Master J. Said he bought his 12-year-old he bought crypto for his kid, and for his 12-year-old even picked out some of his own crypto. I like that out there, Dad Master J, letting the little pad ones know real early about the boom. Just tuning in, we did a flash giveaway. We just the energy started just surging, and we give a flash giveaway. Maybe we'll do one more. We'll just give it a little more here. Why not? It's always good to boom and to give. Each one teach one. Tokia, I've never seen you, Tokia. That says, welcome back. Hope the baby's a healthy one. Absolutely, nothing but health and wealth out here. I appreciate you, artist, blogger, art gallery curator, guys. We got a community that's building on the Steem blockchain. Make sure you're on it. It's free to join, and I'm not even recommending you buy anything. Just get on the blockchain and let's chop it up. Let's do some comments, some posts. I told you guys, this Facebook, this Gram, I'm not smelling it. You won't catch champagne on those networks. Al McKnight in the stat, G Torres, Dad Master J. I see you guys. Champagne's going to start winding it down. I'm losing my voice out here. I haven't been yelling like this in over a week. Go ahead and do some lunch, get something to drink, and relax it out here with Baby Champ. Baby Champ right now is the focus, and bringing the energy out there. And we're excited, guys. Shout out to everybody that congratulated the voice of the blockchain here. You guys are also voices of the blockchain as well. Everybody's Champagne Crypto. Everybody's Satoshi. Nobody has a face out here, and we're still booming. Al McKnight, in a stat, G Torres, I see you guys. I'll take a few more questions if there is some. Okay, but we did cover Electroneum, Particl, and Bitcoin, in my opinion, is looking healthy, okay? I wish it was higher. I wish it hit 13K like Cliff High predicted, but Cliff High isn't your father either. And, basing everything on what Cliff High said. Too many Cliff High stands out there, okay? And, he's been right a lot of times, and he's also been wrong, and he was wrong about that 13K. But we'll see what happens in March and April and beyond out there. I'll take a few more questions before signing off. Shout out to Dad Master J. Steam It is his ride or die. I like Steam It. Shout out to Big Papa. He says, Lil Champ, absolutely. The little boomer's here. All right, guys, I think I'm going to wind it down. We have 33 people in the box right now. I see a lot of day one maniacs that are still riding with me, although I took a nice hiatus, and I've kind of toned it down as far as the posting. We're watching the crypto space change. I'm seeing crypto and Bitcoin being discussed in morning news, and we're seeing a lot of more pop culture in the crypto space, and that's okay. The boomers will be in the front line in the trenches, and sometimes in the front line trenches, it may be a lonely one. one out there when you're an innovator. And we're looking for the next boomer out there. We've got a lot of people on the Bitcoin train this past year. And we got some new YouTubers in the space, and we got some new traders in the space and new voices in the space. And then all in all, I think it's good. We see some doomers out there, but as things grow, as things turn pop, that's expected. Okay, but we're not focused on what's popular here. We're focused on the next boomer, and that's what we're gonna be doing from 2018 and beyond, or since last year and beyond. So the energy's right. Drop any comments below that you may have. I appreciate you guys. It gives me nothing but energy. That Master JC, that pop culture exposure means more people investing, and that's good for all of us. Yeah, absolutely. But I'll be honest with you guys. It's it's not the innovative thing anymore. So in a sense, it's crypto is getting played out in its own sense. So what we got to do is find that new energy, that new spark that's going to keep pushing crypto towards the future, and keep pulling the pop culture, because we're not pop out here. Okay, if we wanted to be pop, we'd be probably doing what some of these other doomers are doing, and bad mouthing people and talking about negativity. Guys, we're not with that, guys. We're not about the views here. We're not about nothing but the positive crypto energy, guys. And I know the guys in the box like Bit Papa, like Dab Master, like Adventures in Bitcoin, and the rest of them. I know you guys feel the energy. Boom the like button. Champagne Crypto, the voice of the blockchain here, Satoshi's big cousin, cryptography's finest, signing off. Let's see if this week we can bring up the frequency of posts, do some more live stream, bring some back energy. I got a lot of things to discuss, to say, and let's start with maybe even talking about the EOS Constitution on another video, and let's see how we could talk more about how we can build a better crypto space, raise the bar, and continue to win for this year and beyond, guys. I appreciate you guys. Champagne Crypto, the voice of the blockchain here, Satoshi's biggest cousin, signing off. Thanks for tuning in. Boom.